AI website funnels are a great way to make a couple $100, while complete paid advertisement bundles are a great way to make reoccurring of thousands of dollars. But that reoccurring thousands of dollars doesn't come without that AI website funnel coming first. Now, with the information that others would usually attach a massive course fee to, I'm going to give you all the information I know on how I effectively and efficiently create these AI website funnels for my clients. Let's get into the video. First things first, without wasting too much time, you're going to have to download Cursor. Cursor is a place where you type in an AI prompt and it allows you to generate an entire website, a whole software, a whole application that you could put on the App Store, etc. Now, for which version you need, it doesn't really matter. Just go with the free version. You could do a pro 2-week trial, and then boom, you got 2 weeks to make money with this system. So let's get into it. Now, before we go on Cursor, what I want you to download is this Google Chrome extension. This is Go Full Page. It allows you to take a picture of the entire page of a website. And why we need this is because for our funnel, we're going to steal a landing page from someone who already has a really appealing landing page. And we're going to take that landing page and we're going to use it as motivation for the AI to understand what it's trying to do rather than explaining to the AI what to do. So download this, and then I'm going to show you a website on which we're going to use as an example to steal right now. Okay, so I found a solid website that we could use as our example for the AI to work with. So I went on Gym Launch. They have a beautiful website right here. Do you want more members? Blah, blah, blah. Goes over everything that I want in my landing page. They even have this right here, which is an opt-in. And what I'm going to do is I'm now going to use that Chrome extension that we just downloaded, which is right here in the top right of your screen. If it's not, you can click on this and you'll see Go Full Page. You then just want to click on it. So click on Go Full Page and it will start taking a picture of your entire page on which we will then throw into Cursor. Now it took a picture of that entire page. What I want to do is download image PNG right here. Perfect. Now that it's downloaded, I'm going to open it up. And after it opens up, I want to open up my Cursor. Now that you've opened up your Cursor, you'll see this screen right here and you'll probably be wondering what is happening. So in the top right here, this is where you're going to type into your AI just like it's ChatGPT. Right here is the agent that you're working with. If you don't want to spend a lot of money, just use Claude 3.7 Sonnet and use the thinking mode. If you don't see thinking right here, to make sure it's thinking, you'll see this brain. They just updated the app. That's why it's a little confusing. But if you don't see it, you'll click the gear right here. Then you'll just go to models and then you'll find it. We got Claude 3.7 Sonnet thinking. I'm actually going to get rid of the other one. If you do want to spend a lot of money and you want to get the best product ever, just use Claude for Opus. But if you want to do this for free, essentially, just use this right here. And then what you're going to do up here is you're going to drag in the picture that we just took from that website. Perfect. Now I have both the images completely dragged in. And now all I want to do is I want to explain to the AI what we are doing. So let me write a prompt real quick. Okay, now I have my prompt completely laid out. Create a complete website funnel for a gym called GSG, where users will be able to fill out a lead form on the website. Ensure the website is absolutely perfect for my audience of 20-year-old males who are in college. Avoid all build errors and duplicates. Organize the code and make it absolutely perfect for user experience on all devices. We're then just going to hit enter right here and watch the magic happen. And as you can see, the AI is getting to work on the prompt that we gave it. Now that the prompt is finished running, the AI says it has done everything. So to see what it has done, what we want to say is run the code locally. After doing this, it will then run the code locally and we'll be able to see what it has created, and then we'll be able to make those micro fixes to the website. Boom, as you can see in one prompt, now we have this complete website right here. So if you scroll throughout this website, you'll notice that the AI literally didn't miss a single thing. Obviously, it's not the most appealing website, but to make those micro changes, we would just go back into Cursor. Maybe we change this gray background into a video, anything like that we would do within Cursor. But let's go through the website. We could see it added why choose GSG, about, our programs, trainers, membership plans, what testimonials, and then right here a form. And then even if you click any of these buttons, it takes you straight to this form right here, which it has all these questions. See right here, this is a mess up. This is something we would make a micro fix on. But overall, it did pretty good with making the website just in that one prompt. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something, and I hope you take action with this new skill that you know. And in the next video, we're going to be going over how to actually get those paying clients.